Today I'm sharing some quick tips on how to negotiate repairs after a home inspection. Review the report carefully after the inspection. Take time to review the report with your agent. Focus on major issues like structural problems, roof damage, electrical or plumbing concerns. Not every little item needs to be addressed. Prioritize safety and function. Stick to things that affect the safety and livability of the home. Cosmetic issues like chipped paint or minor cracks are usually not worth negotiating. Request repairs or credits. You have options. You can ask the seller to make repairs or request a credit at closing so you can handle the work yourself. Talk to your agent about which option makes the most sense. Be reasonable and strategic. Sellers are more likely to agree to fair and realistic requests. Asking for too much might cause them to walk away or favor another buyer. Use your agent's expertise. Your agent will guide you through the negotiation process and help you word the repair request clearly and professionally. Negotiating repairs is all about balance, protecting your investment without pushing too hard. If you're getting ready to buy or just have questions about the inspection process, I'm here to help. Call me at 618-593-7358 or DM me anytime.